The year is 2055. Today, humanity takes its next great leap. News channels worldwide buzz with excitement. Venus bound, the starship Aphrodite lifts off. For the first time, a crewed vessel is heading not to the moon or Mars, but to the clouds of Venus. On board are 100 pioneers, scientists, engineers, doctors, artists, and teachers, chosen for their skills and vision. They leave behind everything familiar, embarking on a journey to a place once thought utterly inhospitable. Billions watch, united in awe and hope. The launch is flawless, a pillar of fire pushing our dreams skyward. Why Venus? For centuries, we saw only a toxic, hellish surface. But 50 kilometers up, the atmosphere is surprisingly Earth-like. Manageable pressure, comfortable temperature. Here, humanity has built a new frontier, the Icarus Cloud Colony. This mission is the result of decades of robotic probes and engineering feats, turning a planetary nightmare into a habitable dream. Families wave goodbye at the launch site, faces upturned, as loved ones become citizens of another world. The passengers, visible on screens, smile and wave back, excitement and surrender in their eyes. As Aphrodite clears the atmosphere, the blue of Earth gives way to the black of space. The umbilical cord to our home is cut. The Voyagers are now truly on their own, adrift in the cosmic ocean. Their destination, a shimmering jewel in the morning sky. This is not science fiction. This is happening now. Humanity's relentless curiosity and drive to explore the broad sphere. The world holds its breath, tracking the tiny speck of light carrying our collective ambition. A new chapter for our species begins. The journey to Venus is underway.
The starship Aphrodite is a marvel, over 300 meters long, powered by fusion engines that mimic the sun. Its constant, gentle acceleration creates simulated gravity, making life on board healthier and more comfortable. Inside, a rotating cylinder provides a sense of up and down, with private cabins, a communal dining hall, gym, and labs. Large viewports offer breathtaking vistas of the cosmos. The ship is a self-contained world, a sanctuary for its 100 passengers. As the engines ignite, passengers feel a smooth, steady push. No violent G-forces, just a persistent ascent. Through the windows, Earth shrinks to a blue star in the blackness. The psychological weight of leaving home is real. On the bridge, the flight crew monitors every system, navigating a precise trajectory. The captain, a veteran of Mars missions, commands with calm authority. The bridge glows with holographic displays, a place of immense responsibility. The lives of all on board rest on the shoulders of a few, guiding Aphrodite toward Venus. The ship is more than a vehicle, it's a lifeline between worlds. The journey has truly begun. The first days are a period of adjustment. The ship's artificial gravity is only a third of Earth's. Walking feels bouncy, objects float, and habits must change. Showers use mist and suction. Sleeping bags are strapped to walls. Food is sticky or sealed to prevent floating crumbs. Passengers spend 2 hours daily in the gym, using resistance machines and centrifuges to counteract muscle and bone loss. Health checks are routine, monitoring everything from bone density to mental well-being. Within a week, most have found their space legs, moving with confidence. Initial disorientation fades, replaced by a sense of freedom. Some delight in floating from wall to wall, performing slow somersaults. Adaptation is both physical and mental. They are becoming true citizens of space. The low-G environment is a constant reminder they are no longer earthbound. The human body proves remarkably adaptable. The journey transforms them, preparing for life on Venus. They are ready for the next phase. Life aboard Aphrodite settles into a steady rhythm. Days follow a 24-hour cycle, synced to Earth time. Breakfasts feature nutrient-rich meals and fresh greens from the hydroponics bay, a splash of Earth in the void. Scientific research is the main focus. Biologists study low gravity's effects, physicists deploy probes, and geologists analyze Venus data. Every passenger has a role, ensuring the journey is a mission of discovery. Evenings bring community, movie nights, games, music, and art. Passengers share stories, teach languages, and celebrate cultural holidays. Teamwork is essential. Crews collaborate on maintenance and experiments. When problems arise, engineers and technicians work seamlessly to fix them. The spirit of cooperation extends beyond duty. Passengers support and encourage each other. They become more than a crew. They become a family. Isolation forges strong bonds. Together, they prepare for their new life among the clouds. 50 days in, Aphrodite reaches its halfway point, the flip and burn. The ship rotates 180 degrees, engines now facing forward to decelerate toward Venus. Artificial gravity reverses. What was floor becomes ceiling. For a few hours, true zero gravity reigns. Passengers float, celebrating the milestone. They are now closer to Venus than Earth. The view shifts. Earth recedes. Venus grows from a star to a creamy orb. The sun, now behind, casts the ship's shadow into space. The psychological shift is profound. They are no longer leaving home, but arriving at a new one. Scientific focus turns to Venus telescopes, study cloud tops, analyzing their chemistry. Communication with Earth grows difficult. The crew relies more on autonomous systems. Anticipation builds as Venus becomes a tangible destination. The abstract journey becomes real. The cosmos ahead is dominated by the morning star. The crew prepares for arrival. The final approach begins. As Aphrodite nears Venus, new challenges arise. The sun's radiation intensifies, solar flares threaten, and the crew drills for emergencies in the storm shelter. Communication delays stretch to minutes. During solar conjunction, contact with Earth is lost entirely. Despite isolation, wonder prevails. Venus fills the viewports, a dynamic sea of sulfuric acid clouds, driven by super-rotating winds. Scientists capture unprecedented data, witnessing planetary dynamics in real time. The ship prepares for arrival. Final deceleration burns, minute course corrections, and aerobraking through the upper atmosphere. Passengers feel a slight shudder as the ship interacts with Venus's air. The journey is nearly over. The most critical phase begins. The crew is ready for the final descent. Humanity is about to touch the clouds of Venus. Aphrodite's destination is the Icarus Cloud Colony, humanity's first permanent settlement in the Venusian sky. The colony floats like a giant airship, filled with breathable air lighter than Venus's carbon dioxide atmosphere. Its structure is a network of domes and cylinders, protected by acid-resistant polymers and flexible to withstand fierce winds. Icarus is powered by sunlight. Solar panels soak up energy, stored in massive batteries. The colony recycles nearly all water, air, and waste, forming a closed-loop ecosystem. Inside, parks with real soil and plants offer a taste of Earth. Apartments have windows overlooking the clouds. Public spaces foster community. Gravity is a comfortable one, G, generated by rotating habitat, rings. Icarus is more than a scientific outpost. It's a city. Here, people will live, work, and build a new branch of civilization. The dream of floating above Venus is now reality. Humanity has claimed a home in the sky. The final hours are tense and exhilarating. Aphrodite matches orbit with Icarus, the colony growing from a point of light to a sprawling structure in the clouds. The ship maneuvers with precision, aligning with the docking port. On Icarus, the advance team watches. This is the true beginning of the colony. The docking is a slow, silent ballet. A soft jolt signals contact. The captain announces, "Docking complete. Welcome to Icarus." Relief and joy sweep through the passengers. They have made it. After 100 days in space, their journey is over. They gather belongings, line up at the airlock, faces pressed to windows. The view, a turbulent sea of clouds below, the sun a brilliant disk above. Far below, Venus's surface remains a hellish inferno. But here, 50 kilometers high, humanity has found a paradise. The airlock door begins to open. The inner airlock door slides open. History is made. The 100 passengers step into the vast docking bay, greeted by cheers and the scent of living plants. Full gravity feels heavy but invigorating after months in low G. The new arrivals tour their city. Sunlit corridors, bridges over open atriums, and a central park under a simulated sky. Children run on grass for the first time. Colonists gaze out at the ever-changing cloudscape, a beautiful alien vista. As day ends, they gather in the observation lounge to watch their first Venusian sunset. The sky erupts in colors never seen on Earth, refracted through the acidic haze. Stars emerge with stunning clarity as darkness falls. A sense of peace and accomplishment settles over the pioneers. Their journey is over, but their adventure is just beginning. They will build a society, raise families, and continue the quest for knowledge. Together, they watch the stars come out over their new home.